Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Zengo wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen. In security level, you can see upgrade security on the side of it. Click on upgrade security. There, fill in all your details and set up all your security. Once you have finished setting up your security and filling up your details, then your account of Zengo wallet will be verified. This is how you can verify your Zengo wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.